In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Steam screenshots. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your screenshots inside Steam and how to publish them so friends can see them on your Steam community page. First, open Steam. Make sure the main window is in full view so you can see the top menu. If Steam starts minimized or in your system tray, just click its icon to bring it forward. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so Steam can load your library and community features. Next, look to the top of the Steam window for the View menu. On Windows, it's along the top bar inside the app. On Mac OS, you'll find View in the system menu bar at the very top of your screen when Steam is active. If your window is very narrow or you're using a compact layout, expand it so the menu labels are visible. Click View to open its dropdown. From that dropdown, click Screenshots. This opens Steam's Screenshot Uploader, the built-in place where all your captured images are organized. By default, Steam saves screenshots you take in-game using the F12 key unless you've changed that hotkey. If the list looks empty, it usually means you haven't captured any yet in that game or on this computer. Now, select your game. Near the top of the uploader, there's a drop-down menu that lets you filter screenshots by title. Choosing the specific game helps you quickly zero in on the images you want without scrolling through everything you've ever captured. Click a screenshot to highlight it. You'll see a preview on the right, which is a great moment to double-check image quality and composition. If the uploader offers fields for a caption or tags, you can add a short description to give your friends context, like where the shot was taken or what achievement it shows. You can also glance at any visibility options shown here so you're comfortable with who will be able to see the post on the Steam community. Finally, click Upload or Share. Steam will prepare the image, apply your chosen visibility, and send it to your profile's screenshots section. Watch for the progress indicator. Once it reaches 100%, you'll get a confirmation. In many cases, Steam will open the community page so you can view the uploaded screenshot immediately. From there, it's live and viewable according to the settings you selected. That's it. Open Steam, go to View, choose Screenshots, pick your game, click the image you want, and upload or share it. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing your best moments.